Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the Vitamix 5200 series. This is part of the Legacy series. We're going to talk about this today. You know, we cover a lot of appliances. We cover refrigerators, we cover washers and dryers, we cover lawn things, we cover all those things. This is probably the most long-lasting appliance that we've ever bought, and we've had this for about 8 years. We use this thing every single day. Like probably twice a day, because I do my smoothie, which I have every day for lunch, and Holly does hers. My wife Holly does hers as well. So we use this every single day. And so it's not the lightest thing in the world. I think it weighs like 10 pounds or so. So it's not the lightest thing in the world. It's not the most complex looking thing in the world either. So there's not a lot of bells and whistles here. But it works. It just continuously works. It's a workhorse. It does exactly what we need it to do. And because it's lasted so long, it's worth the money. So, not gonna lie to you, $400 for a blender is not something that you have to, you go, yeah, you know what, I'll just run out and purchase one of those. But for how long it lasts, worth the money, worth the $400. You could even buy reconditioned models now from their website that come with like a 3 to 5 year warranty. This one in particular comes with a 7-year warranty. And again, it's part of the Legacy series. This is the Legacy series. They have other ones like an Accent series and things like that are fancier, have different buttons on them. They are going up to the $500–600 range. The fancier ones will let you, if you're doing specific recipes, will let you set the timer for how long it mixes so you don't overmix or do things like that. This one has a variable speed that goes up and down. It actually has you can see it's variable here, and it has a high speed that goes all the way up, and an on and off switch. That's it. So what this comes with is not this. That's an extra one. What it comes with is a 64-ounce massive Vitamix container that you can mix stuff in, and it comes with a tamper as well. So this goes, if you want to, if you have a bunch of stuff in there and it's not mixing as much as you want, boom, 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 you shove it down. A lot of other blenders don't have that. You have to sit there with a spoon or try to get things in there. And then of course it comes with a cap in case you don't need it, you're making something else. That you just want to make sure it doesn't squirt out the top. So it comes with this, but this didn't fit under our counter, right? Very nice if you're making something big, didn't fit under our counter. So we went and bought ourselves a smaller one that fits under our counter, and frankly, this makes a perfect size smoothie. So you can make this, it's like basically 2 16-ounce cups of smoothie, which is what I like, and that's if you fill it up to almost to the top. So same thing with this one, same tamper thing, same screw on top thing that you can put on there as well, and that's really what this is. So again, you can buy reconditioned ones of these that have 3 to 5 year warranties. They're well worth it. Brand new one comes with a 7-year warranty for this Legacy Series 5200 model. But it depends on what model you get. You can get anywhere between the reconditioned ones 3 to 5 year, or you can get up to a 10-year full warranty on them as well. The other thing that I'll note that is when we first got this, Holly dropped this, cracked the whole thing. So it's really, really durable. She must have hit it really just right on the floor. Vitamix replaced it, just sent us a new one. That was nice of them. So they definitely do stand behind their product. So let me show you how I make my smoothie today. So we make all kinds of things with this. So we're talking about a smoothie here today, but we make soups with it because it actually spins at enough friction that if you put soup in there, it'll heat up in 6 minutes. It's really kind of crazy because of the friction. So you can make soup in this. My wife has used it to make Play-Doh. We use it to make smoothies. We use it to make, of course, milkshakes. I mean, why wouldn't you? Margaritas, makes a perfect margarita. No chunky ice in it. It blends it perfectly. So we make all kinds of things with this, and it's never let us down. So today, we are gonna make my smoothie, which it's really pretty easy. Triple berry blend. So triple berry blend, whole strawberries, 1 banana, and then of course, almond milk. And then the last thing is protein powder. I actually love this protein powder, the double rich chocolate protein powder, but it's the best I've found. I've tried a ton of them, and a lot of them give you a weird aftertaste and stuff like that. This one does not. So at the end of the day, if I do my job right in making and adding my fruit to it, it tastes fantastic. So let's make one of those today quick. I am not really specific about how much I add to each of my things. Holly, on the other hand, is very specific about what she adds for hers. And because of that, she adds spinach and other things like that. But for me, I don't, because frankly, I don't want spinach in mine. But it is a good thing to add spinach to because, frankly, it doesn't, you can't even taste it. It's so blended well that if you need to get a little bit of extra healthiness to your day, you can add that. And the nice thing about this too is a lot of times you get these blenders and you have to add things piece by piece because frankly they don't blend that well, and then you have to use a spoon and all kinds of crap to get it to really blend. This one, I always do it this way. I chuck everything in all at once. And then add my protein powder last. And the nice thing about it is it really doesn't, you don't have to really worry about adding it all in at once. Okay, as you can tell, I basically didn't put the tamper thing in there because I didn't need it. So it blends that well, blends that quick, and you can see that it's perfectly blended, right? And it only took a couple minutes to do it, and you don't, like I said, you don't have to put in piece by piece or whatever. Just throw it all in there, flip the dang thing on, and it'll blend it all up for you without any kind of problem at all. So we use this as our food processor as well. We don't even have a separate one, no need for it. So we use it for that, and of course, like I said, we use it constantly, and still the same workhorse it was from day one. It still is today. So you can buy all kinds of different attachments for it as well if you want. Obviously we got a smaller canister to make it better for us, but you can buy all kinds of different things for it, for attachments and things like that. So that's it. This is the Vitamix 5200 series, and we'll put a link in the description below to the Vitamix that we bought. There is other options that are available for you if you want to get fancier. Some of the other fancier options are different options. They come in different colors, but standard is really, you know, I think they have black, they have red and silver for most of them, but there is some other options if you get to the fancier accent series models and things like that, or the professional series, you can get other ones too. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the link below if you're looking to buy a workhorse blender that you never have to replace, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Subscribe now.